Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't just see the intro to my video, that's my daughter every single day now for the past couple days. She just loves her baby food, and then she sits there so much that she eventually spits it out all over her. So it's a huge mess with her. But tonight I am super excited. I am going to be taking Lily to our 4th of July party, and she's going to be experiencing fireworks for the very first time. Yay! Super exciting about that. But I'm hoping she will like them because she doesn't get scared very often at things. Like right now it was super sunny out and it was nice and everything, and then thunderstorms came and she was taking a nap, so of course they woke her up. But so I don't think it was because of the thunderstorm that it woke her up. It was just time for her to get up since she's been asleep for 2.5 hours. So they don't normally scare her. Hopefully the fireworks will not scare her. Fingers crossed is what I'm hoping for. Because even like Cody's dirt bike or, what else is loud? Oh, our car. We have a loud car. We've always had loud cars. They don't ever bother her. The racer never bothers her. So I'm hoping that that won't bother her. Her face needs washed off because she ate, it's called chicken vegetables. I don't know if it tastes good, but she seemed to like it. But I wanted to show you guys that last night we went to, I think it was Kroger, and we were going to see if we could find like mosquito repellent for Lily tonight for our party. And the only thing that we could find, because we couldn't find the Johnson & Johnson green bottle of baby, like the lotion baby oil stuff. So instead my husband decided he would get the baby oil gel. It should be about the same, right? I mean, it's a gel instead of like the liquid. Of course, it's good for babies. This one is I think it's an organic type of it. But I don't think that it'll be different than whenever you put bug spray on you, because then you get like that clammy, oily, skin on you. It's a disgusting feeling. So maybe this will even help. I really hope it helps, because I don't want to have to buy like actual spray stuff for her, because I don't think babies should have off spray on them. If not, well, then we know this does not work. So I will let you guys know how that goes. So we bought that. And then, of course, tonight she will be using her headphones that she wore the other day at his race. Say hi! You can't have that. And then, I'm super excited about this. She has this really cute outfit that's 6 to 9 months, so we'll see if it actually fits, because normally she wears 3 to 6 month clothing. So maybe this one will fit. I really hope it does, because it's really cute. This is it. It's like a cute little tank top. And it has a butterfly on it and stuff for the 4th of July. I don't have like my 4th of July like everybody else usually has. So I have just an outfit that has it on there. And then the cute little shorts. I'm not too sure if the shorts are going to fit her, because they look a little big and she's a little petite little thing, since she's only like 15 pounds. So we're gonna see and try them on, and we'll show you guys how it goes. outfit's done. The shirt, as you guys could see, was a little bit too long. And there goes the headband because we can't keep that on anymore, can we? Say no, we don't like it. And her crazy hair that she has going on. Her shorts actually fit really well. I'm very impressed. It's just the shirt that's a little big. Like the tank top seems to want to fall down. And so we are going to wait until Cody gets home. And then I think at about I think it's like 6:30 is when all of our friends are going to be showing up. And I'll have to show you guys. I love everybody. And of the fireworks that we have because we bought a ton of fireworks. So I'm hoping this one's a good show and I'm hoping she likes it. Fingers crossed again. So we'll see you guys at about 6:30 tonight.
I was actually coming home from work. Somebody pulled right in front of me.
Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
We had a good night. She fell asleep about halfway through the fireworks, which is crazy because they were super loud. But it was fun. The noise didn't bother her, but the bright lights did. Unfortunately, it kind of scared her a little bit, but I was glad the noise didn't. So we checked, and so far she has no mosquito bites, so I will give a thumbs up on the baby gel, oil gel stuff. Worked pretty good. I don't think I ever saw any mosquitoes around her or even on me, even though I had a little bit on me. So I will tell you guys that it does work. Thank goodness. She's just eating a bottle, so I thought I'd give you guys an update on how she's feeling, but it went really well last night. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. See you guys later.